Good morning, everyone. First of all, I'm agree with what our friends from West Papua and Maluku was saying earlier, that we all need the collective voice. This is very important, especially when it comes to human rights, the environments, and the military force that Indonesia have been forced to us. Recently, as you all may knew, that Indonesian military have aggressively trying to purchase all these military equipment around the world, try to bring to Indonesia. At the end of the day, this military weapon will be used against the people of Aceh, West Papua, or Maluku. This kind of thing, that's something that we have to focus. That's something that we have to stop. And also, when it comes to industrials, where the environment is crucial for the indigenous. Recently, if you travel across these archipelagos, you will see there's a lot of palm oil trees and a lot of minings going on. This thing is should have been stopped from the beginning, because these foreigners, these companies from outside of the country, they came and destroyed this environment, and the effect will come to the indigenous. And also, we are lucky to be here. Some of us, for example, if you look in the Sumatra Islands, it's only Aceh that standing up against Indonesia for a struggle. There's also the people in the Sumatra Islands that have been struggling for so long, but they have no idea what they have to do. You see, this is the thing. So we need helps to extend our voice to those people who have been struggling for so long due to the Indonesian oppressions, not only in the whole island of Sumatra. I'm sure there's also in West Papua and Maluku and so on. If you look at Borneo, for example, there's none of us over here. There's none of us in this community, when in fact they have been struggling so much. You will see how much forest they have been losing for the interest of Indonesian government. And we have to extend our voice, so those who struggle in Indonesia, not only in West Papua, Aceh, and Maluku, but to the rest of Indonesia. And I would like to echo that collective voice is very important, and we need help with human right, of course, and also, like for example, like in Aceh, even though they have agreements, they have many agreements. The latest Helsinki agreement, that was not the first. We had a lot of agreements with Indonesia. None of them have been none of them have been implemented correctly. All of them, like since 64 and so on. It's just a lot of agreement we have done with Indonesia. None of them can be trusted anymore. So especially when it comes to human rights, where specifically on that MOU in Helsinki mentions that human right, the abuser, the perpetrator of that human right in Aceh should be brought to justice. Until today, even we can't even raise our flag. That's a very sad thing what's happening in Aceh right now. Well, we need that collective voice. So I'm suggesting that we can sit together and to find what kind of objective that need to be done and how it got to be done. Thank you.